Hi, Bello. How are you?
Steady like a leaf.
Yeah, you look nervous.
Really nervous.
Yeah, really nervous. Okay, tell me what you're going to be doing.
Last time I got yeses from everyone except from you, and I told you I will do anything to impress you.
And hang on a minute, I'm not taking responsibility.
But
I didn't ask you to do this.
Kinda did.
You did kind of do that.
No, I didn't. Okay,
Yeah, you
just
did.
tell me what's going to happen here.
Well, hopefully I make it from the cannon over the helicopter and land on the bullseye.
Okay, that blade's going to be rotating.
The blades will be spinning.
Has anyone ever done this before?
This has never been done before. 48 people in history have tried human cannonballing. Half of them have been successful.
And the other half?
Well, the other half died.
Oh my gosh.
Even the ones that did make it have had some major injuries.
What the hell's he thinking? He's lost his mind.
That's my daughter right there. She is watching.
Okay, I think we should just get on with it because I'm feeling anxious.
Good luck,
Wow.
Okay, thank you.
Rooting for you.
Are you all ready?
He is nuts.
Yeah.
We have an ambulance waiting here just in case something doesn't go as planned.
Bello! Good luck, Bello! Oh gosh, Bello.
That'll take off ahead in a second.
Simon, I feel a little sick. I don't like this. Oh my gosh.
Now he's in.
Power and cannon. Full power.
Oh my gosh.
Power.
Arming cannon.
Oh my god, no.
Full safety.
Oh.
Five, five, four, three, two,
Oh my god.
Let's see if he's okay though.
You okay?
Is he okay?
Oh my gosh, I was really scared. He did a flip at the end.
That was a little unintentional.
Oh, really?
I think I focused on the blades and I shouldn't have. I should have focused on the landing blades. But I made it.
But you made it.
I made it.
You made it.
I made it.
Laverne.
It was death-defying. You literally risked your life. I can't say that I enjoyed it because I was so scared, but congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Heidi.
Bello, you are a daredevil on steroids. I was sick to my stomach. You have to go to the live show.
Wow, thank you. Wow.
First of all, I have to say this. You actually did walk the walk. So for that, you have my utmost respect.
Well, for one, thank you for challenging me because...
Yeah, it was all your fault, Simon,
Yeah.
why you did it in the
Well,
first
That's why I'm
place.
going to take credit for this, yes.
Yeah, let's share the credit.
Tell me what you're going to do next if you make it through.
Let's both get shot out of the cannon.
The judges will definitely shoot him through now that he says he's going to shoot Simon out of the cannon.
There are only 6 spots left because we already have a golden buzzer. You were wonderful, so we'll talk about it later on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was...
I'm gonna fight for you.
It looks like you won Simon over.
Wow.
What? It went.